Lift the chain, but breathing with rising current. The future's bent toward rupture or resolve. In the moment before the surge awakens, we brace for the pull that remakes the world. Contours, flickers, choices harden in the half-light. Edges quiver between burden and release. We cross the trembling span, linking what survives. Hand steady through the pressure climbs. Lift the chamber, breathing with rising current. Where futures bend toward rupture or resolve. In the moment before the surge awakens, we brace for the pull that remakes the world. A low hum curls around the gathering tide, a pulse forming toward its reckoning. We advance through thresholds that shiver with change, uncertain yet